How to visualize global economic indicators using bubble diagram by VisioChart in Microsoft Power BI. Click on the Create button. Click on the Paste or Manually Enter Data box. Paste your data. Click in the Name text box to change the table name. Click on the Create a Blank Report option. Click on 3 dots, then select Get More Visuals. Search for Bubble Diagram by VisioChart. Click on Bubble Diagram by VisioChart. Click Add button to add bubble diagram visual. Click on Bubble Diagram icon. Click on the sample data. Select Measure and Dimension columns. Under Format Visual, go to General and expand Title setting. Change chart title and set heading properties according to your need. Click on File button and select Save option from drop-down. Click on Export button and export chart to PDF.